And the dinosaur is to represent how old school safety and compliance is in New York City. Paper, candles.
You say condoms? Candles, condoms, what'd you say?
Candles.
Oh, candles. Okay,
Yeah.
Can someone turn the heat on? Can somebody call Louie the Boiler Man?
Forget about those cold days. Just take me to the boiler room. I can bring the warm days. Just take me to the boiler room.
It's cold outside, no need to freeze. Call Louie the Boiler Man. New York boiler.
Who's gonna speak? All right, don't be shy, Bob. Don't be shy.
Hey, sorry. Hey, what's up? How are you?
I'm good, ready. We're ready? We rolling?
Yeah, let's go.
Oh, mi gente, guys, listen, it's never a dull moment here at the expo here in New York City. Guys, I don't know what this is. All I know is a Torontosaurus. And brother, tell me, what exactly is this? What is this Toronto? I don't know, but I'm just afraid something's gonna happen. So you tell me, what I need to worry about?
Yeah, we're gonna try not let the dinosaur eat you. Like that's the.
Oh, man, are you gonna buy me? I'm sure not.
No, definitely
If
not.
she's a female, I'll let her bet me.
Yeah, maybe. Maybe a couple of insurance claims might be
right.
included
Oh,
in this
man.
and this and this. So yeah, like all we are is we're a company called Safety Clerk, and the dinosaur is to represent how old school safety and compliance is in New York City. Paper, candles.
You say condoms? Condoms, what'd you say?
Candles.
Oh, candles. Okay,
Yeah. So, and all we're trying to do is bring construction to the 21st century. That's all we're trying
you
to do.
fucking
Right?
fooled me. It's 21st century. You're taking it back to 21 centuries behind.
I know, right?
I don't know, bro. You need a robot now. Well, listen, brother, I'm a YouTuber. I go by Louie the Boiler Man, and I'm also an HVAC contractor. So on the count of three, we say Hvac, because Hvac means cool in Latin. So on the count of three, Hvac, even the dinosaur, you can say it too. All right? 1, 2, 3, Hvac! Thank you, brother. I appreciate you. And thank you.
Can someone turn the heat on? Can somebody call Louie the Boiler Man?
Forget about those cold days. Just take me to the boiler room. I can bring the warm days. Just take me to the boiler room.
It's cold outside, no need to freeze. Call Louie the Boiler Man. New York boiler and AC repair.